Hello dear students, welcome back to English class. Yes dear students, hope you all are fine. And in the last class we completed our second chapter, that is first that is care concern, and second is that the new doll, and the section B. Today we are going to learn our section B, that is the 3 days to see. 3 days to see, okay, which is written by Helen Keller. Okay, which is written by Helen Keller, and even you have learned this story in the 4th class. Yes or no? Yes. So I have to let me tell you about this Helen Keller. Okay. Yes, she was author of this story, and here Helen Keller was born on the 27th June 1880. She was American author and even lecturer, and even she was deaf and blind woman, and she completed her BA, and even she has written more stories. So what about her special? Because she was deaf and blind. In see here, from the birth she was blind and deaf, but also she not lose her hope, and she just learned and she became a good author. So warm up activity, what is here? See, the quote is by Helen Keller. So Helen Keller written a quote, very nice quote it is. So what is the meaning of that? See, everything has its wonder, even darkness and silence, and I learn whatever state I may be in, therein to be contained. So we have to explain this quote. So what is the quote? Yes, everything has its own wonder. Means what we can learn. See, so who have to see who is overcoming of this problem, he should, or that person should be a great man or a real man. Why? Because everything has its own wonder, even darkness and silence. So darkness also have its own wonder, even silence also. But Helen Keller learn whatever she learn, she may be in a therein to be content. Means she learned, she not lose her hope, and she became successful. So here even her opinion, she is telling that my opinions means that no matter what is happening, what is going to happen, what is happening, but that you should always be happy at any condition. Yes, otherwise no, I can't see, I can't walk. So you are getting negativity, you are creating in your mind. Yes or no? I can't do such a things. So, but what you have to do? You have to overcome from this problem, and you have to do it. Yes. See here, what would you look at if you had just 3 days of sight? Helen Keller, blind and deaf from infancy, gives her answer in this remarkable essay. So here, if you got only 3 days to see, okay, 3 days. Why they given 3 days? Yes, 3 days. Means if you got the sight, yes, you can see, you can only, your eyes are visible, yes, only for the 3 days. So what people you will do in those 3 days? What you wanted to do? Yes or no? And after you know that, yes, suddenly after 3 days, 4th day I will become a blind. So in that 3 days, what will you do? So her experience she shared here. So she is telling that I have often thought it would be a blessing if each human being were stricken blind and deaf for a few days at some time during his early adult life. Darkness would make him more appreciative of sight. Silence would teach him the joy of sound. So Helen Keller is telling that, see, I thought that she is thinking that I can get the bless. I would be a blessing if human being have stricken. Stricken means she is wishing about that. Means stricken means affected by the disease. Okay, with disease or trouble. If human being become a blind or deaf for their or for few days in their whole adult life, then only they can understand the importance of eye and even importance of ear. Yes, so she is thinking like that. So here write down the stricken. What is the meaning of the stricken? So here affected affected, here I will write, affected by disease or trouble. So she is wishing human being for few days they have to be blind or they have affected by the any disease. That time they can get the importance of eye and ear. Now and then I have tested my seeing friends to discover what they see. Recently I asked a friend who had just returned from a long walk in the woods what she had observed. Nothing in the particular, she replied. So recently what she is telling a story. So she wanted to taste, okay, she is blind and deaf, yes or no? But she wanted to taste normal person, how he is behaving, okay, how he is using his organs. Yes? So she tested, what she tested, one of her friends, she discovered to see, and when recently he asked him, I came by the wood. Wood means what? Forest or field. So I came from the wood, and what you observe there? She asked. He said, nothing particular. I not observe anything. I have just seen, I came by walk, but I not observe anything. How was it possible, I asked myself, to walk for an hour through the woods and see nothing worthy of note? I who cannot see find hundreds of things to interest me through mere touch. I feel the delicate symmetry of a leaf. I pass my hands lovingly about the smooth skin of a silver birch or the rough shaggy bark of a pine. Then Helen Keller, she is telling that how it is possible, I am thinking myself. Why? Because one person, he came from the forest, he just spent his time, okay, till 1 hour from the forest, but he not observe anything. How it is possible? I cannot see, but if I started to walk in the forest, I can feel the touch of, see, symmetry of a leaf. Symmetry means what? Seer. These small lines on the leaf. You can see the symmetry means here balanced proportion. Symmetry, balanced proportion. Balanced proportion. And worthy of note means important. Worthy of note means important. So she is telling that, so I can feel the touch of the leaves. I can just feel it, and even I pass my hand. How she was feeling by touching the leaf. Okay, she was just what she was doing. Just gently she was touching the smooth skin of the silver birch. Silver birch means smooth branch of the tree, or rough shaggy, even rough shaggy. See here, rough shaggy. Shaggy means what here? Having a rough surface. Shaggy. Rough surface. So she can feel smooth surface, she can feel the smooth touch, and also rough branch of or bark of the pine tree. In spring, I touch the branches of tree hopefully in search of a bird, the first sign of awakening nature after the winter sleep. See, and she is telling, in the spring means when the flower blooms. Yes, so in the spring, she was just trying to touch the trees hopefully. How? Means in search of bird. Bird means, you know, when this flower started to just come, so before that you can see the bird. Yes or no? Small bird. And this bird, first sign, because she can understand that this is the first sign of the nature after winter sleep. And occasionally, if I am very fortunate, I place my hand gently on a small tree and feel the happy quiver of a bird in full song. And she is telling that occasionally, if I am very fortunate and if I were very lucky, Yes, she wanted to what? I placed my hand gently on a small tree, and she just placing her hand gently on the small tree to feel the happy cure. Okay, so birds they are singing on the tree. They are sitting on the tree and they are singing from there. So she wanted to just feel that because she can't listen also. So she wanted to know about the cure. Means when birds sitting on the tree or any leaf, this branch will be shaking. Yes or no? So cure means shaking. So she can or she likes to take feelings. At times my heart cries out with longing to see all these things. If I can get so much pleasure from mere touch, how much more beauty must be revealed by sight. And I have imagined what I should most like to see if I were given the use of my eyes, say for just 3 days. Now she is thinking, see, I am now deaf and blind, so I can by feeling, by touching, I can understand, I can enjoy the nature. Yes, but if I get 3 days eyes or 3 days vision, okay, so in those 3 days what she wanted to do? Yes, so that revealed means what here? Revealed means showed something clearly. Showed, okay, showed something. Revealed, showed something clearly. So she wanted only 3 days sight, okay, 3 days vision. So she given her name 3 days. She wanted only 3 days vision, okay, to enjoy all those things. Now, on the first day what she will do? See, 3 days what she wanted to do, she explained here. On the first day, I should want to see the people whose kindness and companionship have made my life worth living. I do not know what it is to see into the heart of a friend through the window of the soul, the eye. I can't only see through my fingertips the outline of a space. I can detect laughter, sorrow, and many other obvious emotions. I know my friend from the feel of their faces. Now she is telling that on the first day, what she wanted to do, she wanted to see. Okay, what she wanted to do? She wanted to see the people whose kindness and companionship means brotherhood and kindness, who are the kind people, and they made her life very worth. She wanted to meet them, and even she here, I do not know what it to see into the heart friends. She is telling that I can't see, I don't know in the heart of window what they, by seeing them we cannot go to the soul, we cannot touch their soul, but she can, if she is blind, and she can touch by fingertips, by touching on their face she can find out by fingertips whether their friend is happy or he is sad or he was crying or laughing. These all feelings she can understand by only touching by her finger. So I can detect laughter. So she can detect. Detect means what? Discover. Detect. So she can discover their sorrow, their laughter, and all the things. For instance, can you describe accurately the faces of 5 different faces? As an experience, I have questioned husbands about the color of their wives' eyes, and often they express embarrassed confusion and admit that they do not know. Okay, so what happened? For the instant, what she did, she just described. She can describe. She did one experiment. Okay, she asked her 5 friends. Yes, tell me your wife's eyes color. Okay, color of eye. But most of them they embarrassed, means they have questioned because they not too much, means they don't know a color of their wife's eyes. So she was thinking how they are doing like that, means they can see by their eyes but they are not observing too much, but I am a blind, but I wanted to see all those things. In the afternoon, I should take a long walk in the woods and intoxicate my eyes on the beauties of the world of nature. And I should pray for the glory of a colorful sunset. That night, I should not be able to sleep. And evening, or afternoon, what she want to do? She want to she want to go to the forest and she want to see wood and intoxicate. Intoxicate means what? Become very happy and excited. I'll write here. Intoxicate. See, become very happy. Become very happy and excited. So she will be very excited to see the nature of or beauty of the nature, and even she wanted to stand there till evening because she wanted to see the sunset, the glory of sunset point. Okay. And that night she will not ready to sleep, or she will not sleep because she will recall all those things whatever whole day she spent. So this is about her first day. Now the second day what she wanted to do and third day what she wanted to do, we'll see in the next class. Okay, read this chapter till here and write down the difficult words in its meaning. Read it carefully and wait for my next video. Thank you.